Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Spotify music on Discord. First of all, open Discord and log into your account, then join a voice channel in your server by clicking on it. You will see now that you are connected to the voice channel. Next, open the Spotify app and start playing the music you want to share. Once your music is playing, go back to Discord. Below the voice connected section, you will see an option to share your screen. Click on this option. If Spotify doesn't appear under the Applications tab, you need to add it manually. To do this, click on a gear icon at the bottom left to open User Settings. Scroll down to Activity Settings and click on Registered Games. At the top, click on Edit and select Spotify from the drop-down menu. Click Add Game. You should now see Spotify listed as a registered game. Toggle the overlay to on if you want to pin the Spotify controls to your screen. Now go back to your voice channel and click Stream Spotify. A window will pop up. Leave the settings as they are and click on Go Live. Your friends in the voice channel will now be able to hear the music you are playing from Spotify. You can adjust the volume on your end and they can adjust it on theirs as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.